free Igbo language teaching class. So wherever you're interested in learning Igbo language, you are free to join this live class now, free of charge. I am the Igbo tutor, Onyenkuzi Igbo. So this class is created for whoever is interested in learning Igbo language. You may have challenges in speaking Igbo language. Maybe you are born outside Igbo land by Igbo parents in any part of the world, or you are married to Igbo, or you have an Igbo person as a business partner. You are interested in speaking Igbo language. This is where to be. Every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Join us to have free Igbo language class every Saturday. So wherever you are, see me now, and you have any interest whatsoever in learning Igbo language free of charge, you need to join up now. It's possible you have subscribed to one YouTube channel or the other where you are watching Igbo language videos here and there. That's fine. You need to do that. But if you want to really challenge yourself to measure your level of progress, to know whether you're understanding anything at all, and to also gauge where you need help here and there, you need to come here for practical live Igbo language teaching. Here, we challenge ourselves to speak Igbo language, to hear it from other people, to write it ourselves, and to, see whether we can understand the sound of the words, the meaning of the words, and make simple Igbo sentences here and there that will help us to measure our level of progress. So wherever you are, see me right now. I am the Igbo tutor, Mazi Okapo. This lesson will start in 2 minutes time, exactly 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. So wherever you are, it's good you join us early enough so you don't miss out on any part of the lesson. So you are welcome to class. I am waiting for you to join up now. You see me right now in any part of the world, and you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge. Just join this live class. Here we practice Igbo speaking, Igbo writing. We interact with the community of Igbo people from all around the world. So you do well to join this class now. Rahid Hama, you're welcome to Igbo class. Appreciate you coming to class. You ask me, Kedu, I say, Odema. I'm talking to Hama now, Odema. That's how we reply that to your question. So, welcome to Igbo class. Let's wait for others to join up so we can start this class in earnest. In the next 2 minutes, let me see. Oh, this is exactly 2 p.m. on the dot. Maybe we wait for about 1 or 2 minutes before we kick off so that we can welcome those who are ready to join us at the exact time. We will not wait for anybody in this class to join before we begin because we want to maintain exactly 1 hour. So if you're for this class, you need to be here right now. If you're not here by 2 p.m. on the dot, means you are not ready for this Igbo class. So for those of you who are here, you do well to hit the like button and then share this video to other people. Not only that, please hit notification bell. That way you get notified when we come online and when we send out notice for our next live class. So hit that notification bell now. If you've not subscribed to our channel, do so. These are the few things we do as we join this free class. So now we want to begin. We have been doing a series we call Igbo Verb Game. What do we do in this series? We bring out Igbo verbs, determine the spelling of the word. We now determine the meaning of the Igbo word, and then go ahead to do simple sentences using the Igbo verb in different forms. The Igbo verb keep changing from one form to another, depending on where and the circumstances under which it is used. The meaning, the spelling, we keep changing and transforming from one form to another. That is what we do in the Igbo verb game. Chikezie, you're welcome to class. Okay, as a class captain, thank you for coming right on time. So we hope that others will join us early enough so we can move as fast as we can, because we want to maintain 1 hour on the dot for this class. We don't want to extend that. So anyone coming after that, we're sorry, we may not be able to wait for you. We want to be disciplined in this class, want to maintain 1 hour going forward. We don't want to extend that for any reason. So if you are either for the class or you are not for the class. If you are for the class, block off your calendar, mark it out at the time, keep other aside and be ready to join this class exactly by the time you should be here. This is 2 minutes already gone behind the hour, so let's begin. In the last class, we ended up with the verb re. Re, that was the last verb we considered, which means eat. And we broke it down into its different forms and used it for different sentences to reflect its changing nature of the Igbo verb depending on the usage. So today, we are continuing from there. Please, if today is your first time, or even if you're a returning student, just help us to hit the like button and then hit the share button. I don't know whether it's up or down of your screen. So this video go out to more people and they will be able to join us too at the same time and benefit just as you are doing. We will appreciate that so much. So let's go on. Today, the verb we are looking at first today is rafwe. Rafwe. The first thing we do is when I give out the word, the first assignment is to write it in the chat. Just listen to the sound of the word, the way I pronounce it, and see if you can understand the word spelling in Igbo language. So you write the word in the chat. We now determine who gets it right. When that is done, we go to the next stage, which is to determine the meaning of that particular word. When we've done that, we go to the next stage, which is to break the word down into its different forms. And then finally, we make simple sentences using that particular verb. I hope I am audible. Please confirm if I'm audible enough. Before I proceed, let's confirm if I'm audible. Those who are in class, Hey, I can't pronounce this name very well. I know Hammer. That's the one that's easier for me to pronounce. Hammer. Please confirm if I'm audible. Chikezie, confirm if I'm audible. Okay, it shows I'm audible from your response. And so the word is rafue. That is dropped already in the chat by Chikezie. Yeah, okay, Chikezie, we can hear you. That's fine. Great. So let's move on. The word is rafue, and Chikezie has written that rafue. Right. Let's move on. Any other person trying to write something? We're about 3 or 4 in the class. Any other person trying to write? The word I pronounce is rafue. Is there any other option apart from what Chikezi has written? Do we have any other option as to the spelling of the word rafue? Some will pronounce it as rafuo, that is ending it with O or ending it with E. Rafuo, some will say rafue. Okay, if there is no other response coming in, let's take Chikezi's sentence or word rather as the correct one. Rafue, that's correct. R-A-F-U-E, rafue. Next challenge. What is the meaning of this word? Rafuo or rafue. What does it mean? Can somebody tell us what it means? Put that in the chat. Let's see your thoughts about this word. What does it mean? What does this word rafue mean in Igbo language? Write it in English. Write the meaning of the word rafue in English. It's an Igbo word. Let's see the meaning in English. What does it mean? Lead astray. Great. Deceive. Great. Lead astray or deceive. I agree with you. My own, I put lead astray as the meaning, and that is perfect. Chikezi agree with me. That is my own meaning for the word lead astray, rafue, and that is correct. We go on to the next stage of this, and the next stage is to break this word down into its various forms for the purpose of usage in different form of sentences and under different scenarios and circumstances. We move. So we begin to break it down now. Roughly is the word, the principal word. Let's break it down into its different forms. Number one, roughly, simple present verb. Okay, roughly, number one. Number two, past tense. How do we write it? Okay, led astray. How do we write that in Igbo? Led astray. Let's write that in Igbo language. Led astray. Led astray. The past tense of lead astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? Drop it in the chat. Let's go. Let's move. Game is on. Let's go. How do we write led astray? Past tense of lead astray. Okay, Chikeze have come in with an answer. Rafuru. Any other option? Any other option coming in here? Any other option? Rafuru. Okay, Mbaka blessing. Rafugo. Okay, Mbaka, you're welcome to class today. Okay, good, you return back today. You are here, you participated actively last week, Saturday. So you're welcome back to class. But let's mark now because we don't have many people here. I don't want to waste time while others are joining in. Then we got the correct answer here is Rafuru. Rafuru. That is the response from Chikezie. It led astray. Rafugo, we're coming to that. That is like have led astray. That is where we have Rafugo. Okay, we move on. Number three, variation. To lead astray. To lead astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? To lead astray. Phrasal verb. To lead astray. How do we write that? Let's go there. Game on. To lead astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? Let's go. Game on. To lead astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? Chikeze has written Irafu. Any other option? Amaka, where are you? Blessing Bakarada. And then my friend that came in first, which is Hama. Hama, are you still here? Hama. If you are still here, please say yes. I'm talking to Hama now. Hama, are you still in the class? Just say yes if you are still here. Okay, I'm waiting for, to lead astray. How is it written in Igbo language? Let's write that in the chat. I got one response. I'm waiting for others to come in with their responses. Blessing Baka, where are you? Hama, where are you? And the rest. Yes, I'm waiting. I got one response. Blessing Baka. Is there any? Are you coming with a response, or I should move on to Mark now? Okay, if there's none coming in, I take Chikeze McDonald response. Irafu, and that is correct. Irafu, to lead astray. Irafu, very correct. Let's move on from here. And the next word is leading astray. Is leading astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? Is leading astray. Present continuous tense. Okay? Is leading astray. Is leading astray. Present continuous tense. Remember, the parent verb is rafue, lead astray. Where we are now is the present continuous tense, is leading astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? Na rafu. That what Chikeze wrote. Na arafu. Let me see any other option coming in. Backup blessing. Are you still here? Hammer. Are you still here? How do we write is leading astray? Waiting for you to do that. Is leading astray. Any option apart from what Chikeze has written? Any other option, or do we move on from here? Any other option is leading astray. Is leading astray. I hope we are not encountering network problem or challenge here and there, because I'm seeing a lot of fluctuations in your attendance. I hope it's not network issue. God will help us to overcome. So Narafu is correct. Narafu is correct, which is what Chikezie has written as meaning is leading astray, present continuous tense. Let's go to future tense. Okay? Let's go to future tense. How do we write will lead astray? Future tense. Will lead astray. Yes, we've done past, we've done present, we're doing future tense. Okay, we have an answer, Ga'arafu, from Chikezie, Ga'arafu. Any other option coming in will lead astray. In Igbo language, how is it written? Somebody has come in with option or a response, which is Ga'arafu. Baka is also writing Ga'arafu. Baka, you need to join your compound word with a hyphen, okay, with a dash. It's a compound word. So you join it to tie it up together with a dash, Ga'arafu. All the same, Chikeze's response and Baka Blessing's response are correct. Ga'arafu, that is, will lead astray. Nake, you're welcome to class. Chinonso, Nake family, you're welcome to class today. Good one. Good seeing you again in class. Right. So, Nake, I sent you a message. Our class, something ended yesterday, private class, but not very smoothly. Though we were able to complete the class, but network affected us somehow in conclusion. Dr. Blah, you are welcome to class. Okay? So, Nake, please, I sent you a message to your WhatsApp. I need a response to that. Let's move on. Dr. Blah, you are welcome to class. Nake, you are welcome to class. Baka Blessing, you are welcome to class. Let's move on. What we're talking about here is will lead astray. Will lead astray. The parent verb is rafuo or rafue, which means lead astray. And we are breaking it down. Where we are now is future tense, will lead astray. We got two responses from Chikezie, Garafu, and Baka Blessing, Garafu. And both responses are correct. Let's go on from that. The next one is a command or an instruction. Go lead astray. Go lead astray. How do we write that? Let's go there. How do we write that? Go lead astray. A command or an instruction. How do we write it? Go lead astray. Let's go there. Game on. Let's write. Chikezi has written Garapue. Okay. I wait for others to respond. I wait for others to respond. Yeah. Go lead astray. A command or an instruction. Yeah. Waiting for you. I got one response already from Chikezie McDonald. Who else is coming in with a response? Remember, if you have not hit the like button, you have not hit the share button for this live session, you are not doing well. Do that now if you have not done that. Nake is in. Nake wrote Garafwe. Right. Baka Blessing, where are you? Dr. Abdullahi. I need your response. Go lead astray. I got three responses. Dr. Abdullahi is here. What is stem word? Okay. The stem word is Rafwe, which is lead astray. You can scroll the charts up to see where we began. The word is Rafwe, that is the parent word. Okay, you can see from Baka Blessing and Chikezie, they wrote Ga Rafwe. That second word after Ga is the parent word, is the stem word, which is Rafwe, meaning lead astray. Dr. Blahi, is that clear? Do you get what I explained? This ga, rafwe, the two words together there, ga and rafwe. The parent word, the stem word is rafwe, which means lead astray. Dr. Blahi, hope that is clear. We move on. We move on to the next stage, which is the opposite instruction. Don't lead astray. How do we write that? Yeah. Doctor, you are right. Lead astray. That's the word. That is the word. Now we are giving opposite instruction, that contrary instruction. Don't lead astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? Let's go there. This is Igbo language lesson live. So wherever you are seeing us from any part of the world and you are interested in learning Igbo language free of charge, do join us here now. And be ready to join us every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. This is where we exercise ourselves in speaking and writing Igbo language. So join us as we do this together. This is a community of Igbo speakers where we learn from the teacher and from other students in the community. We learn new words, we learn new phrases, we learn new sentences. We begin to understand the sound of the word and convert the sound to written text, and then measure a level of understanding of simple sentences. There's no better place to be than here at this time. Let's do this together. Okay, the word we're looking at is don't lead astray. And we got responses in Igbo language. Somebody wrote Arafula, like Chikesi, followed by Nake, Arafula. Dr. Blahi, Gala Rafwe, Gala Rafwe. Okay, that should be for the last one we treated, Dr. Blahi, which is okay. Yeah, that is go deceive, go lead astray. That is Ga Rafwe. That is what Dr. Blahi wrote now. But we are past that already. We're talking about don't lead astray. Okay, I think from all we got now as responses, Shikeze got it first, which is Arapula, followed by Nake family. Arapula, that is the right word for don't lead astray. We go from here. We give a report now. Did not lead astray. A report. Did not lead astray. Let's say you are reporting somebody, or you are saying, making a comment about what did not happen, he didn't lead astray, or somebody is accused of doing that, and you are defending the person. You want to use the word, he did not lead astray. So the phrase is, did not lead astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? How do we write that in Igbo language? Did not lead astray. It's a single word in Igbo language. Okay, let's go. Game on. Okay, we got Chikeze has written something. I wait for that. I will not say what he has written. I don't want to give you an idea of what he has written. Of course, some of you are seeing it, but give your own response. Be yourself. Don't copy other people. Measure your own level of progress and understanding. Don't copy what others have written. The word is did not lead astray, like a report. Yes. Okay. I got one response. I got Dr. Blahi writing Araf go. That seems to be an opposite of what I'm saying. What I'm talking about is did not lead astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? Let's go. If you know you have not hit the like button for this live session, you are not doing well. You are not showing solidarity and support. If you have not hit the share button to share it out as you're watching, even if you are watching from our homepage, after it must have been uploaded, you don't share it out to your friends and those around you, you are not helping us, you are not appreciating us enough. You don't hit the like button, that's not fair to your teacher. Let's go. Okay, we have one response yet. Where are the rest? As I think network is a problem a little bit, but we are going on. Where are the rest? I got only two responses. did not lead astray. I got response from Chikezie and Dr. Abdullahi. Right? Should I go on to Mark? No other one is coming in now. I go on to Mark. So I go. Chikezie wrote Arafui. That is perfect. Arafui. Araghi. Okay, that is perfect. Arafui did not lead astray. Dr. wrote Arafugo. That means something else entirely. And that is what we are going to write now, which is the last leg. Have led astray, have led astray, or has led astray. If it is one person you are talking about, you say has led astray. If it is more than one, you say have led astray. So how do we write that in Igbo language? Has led astray. I think that is past participle. I hope I'm correct. I'm not very good in English. Past participle, have led astray. Okay, Chigeze wrote Arapugo. That is actually what Dr. Blahi wrote in response to the previous question. Arapugo. So I take Dr. Blahi's response here as the last one we are talking about now. Have led astray or has led astray. No other response is coming in. Could it be that we have network issue that is holding many people back? I guess so. Excuse me. Could it be that we have network issue holding your responses back? I guess so. So let's go and make our sentences now as quick as possible. Begin. Rough word, which is lead astray. Okay? Lead them astray. Lead them astray. Lead them astray. Lead them astray. That is a simple sentence. Simple enough, but write it in Igbo language. Lead them astray. A very simple sentence. Let's begin with something as simple as that. Can you write that? I got one response. Lead them astray. Where is my friend? Is it Amaka or something like that? Yes, Mbaka blessing. Mbaka, are you seeing this class? I'm not getting your responses at all. Mbaka blessing. Are you still in class? The sentence is, okay, you are here. That's good. Good to know you are still here. Lead them astray. We got two responses, one from Chikezie and from Baka. Where is Nake and the rest? Are you still here in class? I'm not hearing from you. Let's do this together. Yes, lead them astray. Got two responses. And then one from Chikezie, Rafueha, one from Baka Blessing, Rafueha, and I bet to say they are correct. We go to the next sentence, which is to lead astray. He wanted to lead us astray. Let me not go too long. He wants to lead us astray. He wants to lead us astray. That is the sentence. Write it in Igbo language. Deya n'asụsụ Igbo. He wants to lead us astray. The emphasis is on to lead astray. To lead astray. He wants to lead us astray. Write that in Igbo language. Clement Emehe, and welcome to class. No. Okay. He wants to lead us astray. I know we are having network issue today. People are responding to questions when I have already left that and I move on to something else. That's when your responses are coming in. Surely we'll have network challenge. Let's go. The sentence is, he wants to lead us astray. Write that in Igbo language. I got one reply from Chikezie McDonald. Yeah, I wait for others to come in before we do the marking. He wants to lead us astray. That's the sentence. Write it now. We want to move as fast as possible. We're maintaining only 1 hour for this class. Okay, I got 3 responses. Chikeze wrote, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." Clement, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." Mbaka have run away. Maybe she has seen an error in her sentence. She deleted it quickly. Dr. Blahi, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." Great work, Dr. Blahi. Let's mark now. Chikezie, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." Perfect. Good sentence, good alphabetical arrangement, good alphabetical choices. Perfect. Clement, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." Correct. No, nothing to correct. Dr. Blahi, "Ọ chọrọ ịrafu anyị." You try, doctor. The only thing you need to correct is that your irafu is not correct. It's not E, it's I. Irafu. Our I is E. E, but in this case, it's irafu. I with dot under. Irafu. So remove your E and replace it with I with dot under. Then Ani, Dr. Blahi, your Ani should have dot under the I. Baka blessing, "Ọ chọrọ rafue Ani." No, no, no. Baka is not rafuani, it's "Ọ chọrọ irafu," to lead us astray. Irafu ani. That is what it should be. Baka, by now, I expected that you would have gotten the Igbo keyboard. Why have you not gotten it? Why are you not writing your alphabet the way it should be? What is the problem? Baka bless. I guided you last time on how to get the Igbo keyboard. Didn't you do that? Okay. Baka bless. You also promised to buy our ebook. You did not buy. I hope you did not forget. Let's move on. Okay. Nake. I don't know which one you are writing now. Iraq, we passed this long ago and we are going on with sentences. Okay? So we've marked this one now. We're through with that. He wants to deceive us. We move on to past tense of Rafue, which is Rafuru. Rafuru. Okay? Enyim. Oh, I go back to this. I take it back. Okay? My friend led me astray. My friend led me astray. Past tense of lead astray is what we're talking about here now. Let's write it in Igbo language. Game on. My friend led me astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? Let's go there. Game on. Okay? Waiting for you. Chikezie is in. The class captain is leading by example. Nake is in. Okay. Nake is in. Who is coming third? Where is the Dr. Blind? Where is my friend Emehe Clement? Where is Amaka? Okay, where are you guys? Baka, right? Sorry, Baka. Always Amaka. Baka. Okay, Baka blessing. Where are you? I got 2 responses. My friend led me astray. That is the sentence. Dr. Blahi is here. Oh, Dr. Blahi, you are not giving any space at all. You are firing. Okay. Okay, yeah, Chikezie, that is the same thing. Enyim duhieremozo is also the same sentence. Okay, duhieremozo, rafurumu, led me astray. Okay, that Chikezie, that sentence is the same. They are the same, exactly the same. Okay, ndewo aga m ege ntị anọ m n'ụzọ. Okay, ọ dị mma. Clement Emehe, ngwa na-ege ntị na ọ dị mma. Nnake, enyi m rafuru m. Okay, that is, you are correcting yourself now. Nnake. That's okay. Let's mark now. Chikezie, enyi m rafuru m. Okay, perfect, correct. Nake have done the correction down there. Enyi m rafuru m. Okay, I take that to be a right one. Dr. Blahi, enyi m rafuru m. Dr. Blahi, perfect. Got this time around, this time around, got it perfect, no correction. Okay, okay, you are still able to type on steering. That's good passion for you. All right, let's move on to future tense. Garafu will lead astray. Ha garafuge. Ha garafuge. Oh, I said it in Igbo. Let's write it and convert it in English. Ha garafuge. Ha garafuge. Write it the way I said it. And let's convert it, interpret it in Igbo. So you write in English, you write in Igbo. That's what you should do now. Write it in English, write it in Igbo. Let's go there. Ha garafuge. Ha garafuge. Write the way I said it, and then write the English version of it together, if you can. Ha garafuge. How do we write that in Igbo language? And what does it mean? Ha garafuge. Ha garafuge. They will lead you astray. That's nake. Perfect. Okay. Ha garafuge. They will lead you astray. Perfect. Chikezie. Ha garafuge. Where is Mbaka blessing? Okay. Ha garafuge. Some of you have not hit the like button for this live session. Some have not shared it. It's not fair. If you have not done that, do that now. Okay? If you are watching from our homepage, please do share this video or this live session. Do like it, comment on it, your opinion on any aspect you think we are not doing well. And also, if you are watching from our homepage, remember that all the chats during live session are all recorded and stored. So what you do is you go to the comment section, hold it and swipe it left. You will see recorded comments recorded chats during live session. As you are watching the video, the live chat will be playing out exactly the way it came in during live session. So you follow it the same way, as if you are participating while it is live. Okay? So let's go. Clement Emehe. Ha ga'arafugi. Okay? They will lead you astray. You guys are too much. So Chikezie got it first. Ha ga'arafugi. Followed by Nnake. Ha ga'arafugi. Nnake put a hyphen between ga'arafu. Join it together as a compound word. Okay? Clement Emehe. Ha ga'arafugi. Perfect. You are great people. Okay? That's great. We move on now. And then the next one is leading. Have we done that? Is leading astray. Present continuous. I don't think we have done that. Present continuous. Narafu. Narafu. Okay. Let's say it this way. His father is leading him astray. His father is leading him astray. Let's write that in Igbo language. His father is leading him astray. How do we write that in Igbo language? His father is leading him astray. Write it in Igbo language. His father, the same way I said it is the way you're going to write it. Don't write it your own way. His father is leading him astray. Okay, Nake came first. Okay, I think you're correcting yourself now. Nake is you are doing self-correction. That's fine. Nake is in, Chikezie is in. Who else is coming in? Who else is coming in? I got two responses. The sentence is, his father is leading him astray. Yes, his father is leading him astray. Up till now, some of you have not shown that you like this live session. You've not indicated by hitting the like button. Up till now, some have not shared it. That's not fair enough for your teacher. Dr. Blank is in. I said his father, not your father, Dr. Blahi, his father. All right, let's mark now. Nake wrote, Dr. Bly, okay, you said ne and you said na now. Okay, you tried, but there's still something missing. That his is what is missing in your sentence again. Okay, his, not you are. What you wrote, doctor, is you are. Okay, let's go to Mark. Nnake wrote Nnagi na Arafugi, but he corrected it down there to mean Nnaya na Arafuya, which is correct. Chikezie, Nnaya na Arafuya, perfect. Dr. Blahi, you said Ne, you have returned to Nna and follow him. You now corrected Nnaya na Arafuya, correct. I give it to you, Dr. Blahi. Chike, Clement Emehe, Nnaya na Arafuya, perfect. All right. That's cool. That's great. Let's move. Okay. The next one is go lead him or her astray. Go lead him astray. Garafwe. Yeah. Okay. Is that the sentence already? Yeah. Go lead him astray. Oh, let me change the sentence. Hold on. Go lead them astray. Let's join something else. Go lead them astray. Let's write that in Igbo language. Go lead them astray. Write it in Igbo language, the way I said it. Go lead them astray. Yes, I got one response from Chikezi already. Yes, who else is responding? Go lead them astray. Yes, who else is coming in now? I know some of you who network is holding you back. Go lead them astray. Clement is in. Okay, Nake, where are you? Amaka, is it Amaka? No, not Amaka. I always say Amaka. What is that girl's name? That lady's name? I go back to check. Mbaka. I always say Amaka. Mbaka blessing. Sorry about that. Mbaka, where are you? Go lead them astray. Yeah, go lead them astray. We got two responses now. One from Chikezie, one from Clement Emehe. Where is Nake? Where is Mbaka? Where is Dr. Ablahi? Yeah, waiting for your response. Come in quickly before we move on. Go lead them astray. How do we write it in Igbo language? That's where we are now. What we're doing is what we call Igbo verb game, where we take Igbo verb, break it down, use it in different forms, in different scenarios, and see how they transform from one nature or spelling to another. That's what we do now. So let's go there. I'm going to mark now since I'm not getting any other response. Yeah, Chikeze wrote, Gara Fueha, perfect. Clement wrote, Gara Fueha, perfect. These two responses we got are both correct. Next one we do is the negative sentence or opposite instruction. Don't, which is do not mislead or don't lead astray. Don't lead astray. Don't lead astray. Please don't lead your brother astray. Please, I hope this is not too long. Please don't lead your brother astray. That is the sentence. Let's try that in Igbo language. Please don't lead your brother astray. Try that in Igbo language. Let's go. Game on. Please don't lead your brother astray. Let's go there. Game on. If you are in this class, you have not hit the like button, you are not fair to your teacher. If you have not hit the like button, you are not fair to your teacher. Do that now. To this, hit the like button. I don't know whether it's down or up your screen. Also, hit the share button and share it to more people. Let them join up. Okay, that's important to us so that YouTube will know that people like to view this. They will be able to show it to more people. That's important to us. Also, if you are watching this video in our homepage, after this live session has been uploaded, Feel free to put your comment down there. Just write your comment as if you are participating live. Make effort. I will respond to them as I see them accordingly. Okay? What do we have? Chikezie, biko arafula nwanne nwoke. Okay, Nnake wrote, biko arafula nwanne gị nwoke. Great. Chikezie come back with the correction. Biko arafula nwanne gị nwoke. Yes, this is the correction. Dr. Blahi, biko rafula nwanne. Good effort. But it should be arafula. Arafula. That's what it should be, not rafula. Dr. Blahi. Arafula. And you have to end it with nwanne gị nwoke. That is your brother. Nwanne gị nwoke. Clement, biko arafula nwanne gị nwoke. Perfect. So how many people got it? Chikezie, Nnake, and Clement. Amen. Great work. Great work. Okay. Now, next one. Did not lead astray. He did not lead anybody astray. A strong defense for this person. He did not lead anyone or anybody astray. Write that in Igbo language. He did not lead anyone astray. Write that in Igbo language. Dr. Blahi, good. Biko Arafula, one leg working. Perfect correction. Good one. Doctor, you're following very well. Great one. Doctor, we are in the next sentence, which is a defense now. He did not lead anyone astray. Write that sentence now. A defense, a strong defense for somebody. He did not lead anyone astray. Write it in Igbo language. Game on. Emphasis is on did not lead astray. They didn't lead astray. Or rafui. Okay, Chikezie is in with the response. I wait for others to flow in. I wait for others to flow in. I wait for others to flow in. Yeah, Chikezie is in. Where are the rest of you? Do that now. Turn in your responses quickly. Let's move on. Turn it in. Clement Emehe is in with his response. Where's Nnake? Chikezie, okay. Orafu onye ọbụla. Onweghị onye orafu. That's another version of it. Okay, Clement. Or Arafi onye ọbụla. Clement, I've told you this in a private class. When you're using or O, you don't put the A again in front of that parent word, Rafi. You remove the A, and once or O is used, you remove the A. You don't join A again. So you use Rafi, not Rafi. It doesn't flow. It doesn't flow. That is it. You are going to put a stumbling block to the reading of the word. Okay? I'm talking to Clement now. I've said this over and over again to you, even in private class. So let's mark now. Chikezie or Rafui onyo ọbụla. Correct. And then when you came down, Chikezie, you also say onwei onyo Rafuru. This is also correct. Okay? He did not deceive anyone. So Clement, I have done your correction already. I say you should remove A or Rafui onyo ọbụla. Correct. You got it right. You done the correction. Anthony, welcome to class. Okay, this is too early. Which one is too early, Anthony? Okay, Anthony, I don't know what is too early. So Dr. Blahi, Orafugo, no. So if you say Orafugo, it means you have deceived already. Okay, but saying he did not deceive is Orafui. Orafui, that it did not deceive. Orafui, onyobola, anyone, did not deceive anyone. Antonio, I didn't understand your chart. What do you mean? What is too early? Okay, I need to know that. Let's go there. The final one here is have deceived or has led astray. That's the final one. Okay, he had led He has led them astray. He has led them astray. Okay? Okay. He said, this class, how often do you tutor like this? Okay, I want to respond to Anthony. Anthony, we do this live class every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, which is 1300 GMT. This is free live Igbo class. We meet by 2 p.m. and we're supposed to stay 1 hour. But sometimes because of delay of people joining, sometimes we extend it beyond 3 p.m., sometimes 3:30 or thereabout. But we want to try as much as possible to limit it to 1 hour. Please, it's good we join on time. I think you have been in a class before, Anthony. Am I right? I'm sure you have been in a class before. Okay, I'm sure you have done. I'm sure you've done that before. Anthony, thank you for your sticker. We appreciate that. Please help me to thank Anthony for his gift via his rainbow sticker. Help me to say thank you to Anthony. We appreciate that. Okay, God bless you, Anthony, for your gift. So we move on now, and then I forgot. Okay, Dr. Black said, I forgot Onyobola. Okay, it's good, it's good. So we have to look at it now and see how it goes. You forgot Onyobola, okay? He said you forgot Onyobola. So now you know it, you are now reminded. Okay, that's fine. So we go on now. Anna, okay, I forgot Onyobola. Let's see. Dr. Blahi. Orafu onyobola. Let's go back to correction. Onwe onyorafu. Okay. Oh, we've gone to the last sentence now. Okay. Which is he has deceived them. He has deceived or he has led them astray. Okay. This is my first class. Thank you for teaching us. Oh, Anthony said this is first class. Thank you, Anthony. Please block this off your calendar. Keep a date with us next Saturday. We've been doing this since last year, every Saturday consistently. So block off your calendar. Get ready to join us every Saturday by 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. We do this free of charge. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel, The Igbo Tutor. There you can visit our homepage. We have a lot of videos that are designed specially for serious learners. We don't entertain people, we teach. So if you want to learn Igbo language seriously, subscribe to our channel. We also have our live private classes for those who are interested. Some of us here are in my private classes, if you like that. And also we have special ebooks meant for newbies and intermediate students. These ebooks, talking to Anthony now personally, these ebooks are unique because they come with text, pictures, audios, which are downloadable. Those audios are downloadable to the extent that you can store them in your phone, memory, or computer. And when you are offline, you can still listen to the audio while you are going through your book. So literally, you have me talking to you all the time through MP3 when you are driving, or a car stereo, when you are washing or eating or dining. You can still listen to me speaking Igbo to you, teaching you Igbo via your audio, which you have downloaded. So take advantage of these books today. Where and how do you get these books? Very simple. This live session will be uploaded after this class, even the previous ones. Open the description box, you see a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage, open our channel description, you see a link to our bookshop. Also, when you go to our homepage, scroll down through, you will see our book adverts. Those books adverts will always contain a link to our bookshop. Hit the link and you get to our bookshop. We have about 15 books there, and they are so cheap, between $1 to $3 to buy any of them. Get them now, as many as you want. 2-letter words, alphabets, number from 1 to 1,000 is there. Whatever you want, daily conversation, Igbo words, Igbo sentences, words and opposite, present and past tense. Everything is there. So get them today, and you'll be glad you did. Anthony, Please confirm that you understand all I said about how to get these books and other offers we have. If you want to have a private live class, send us email to the igbotutor@gmail.com. The Igbo Tutor is the name of our channel. Put it together, no space, and you are there. We'll respond to you. Let's go there. Let's move. So we are going forward, okay? And then we are talking about all go. He has deceived them. All go ha. All go ha. Okay. All go ha. He has deceived them. That is correct. Let me see those who got it right. I begin from Nake. Clement Emehe wrote first. He wrote first. All Rafugoha. But Clement, your O should have dot under. It's not O Rafugoha. It's O. O. In Igbo, O is O with dot under. Nake wrote O Rafugo. O. Nake wrote O Arafugoha. I don't accept that. You remove the A in front of Rafugo. Nake. You should know this by now. Tablahi. O Rafugoha. Perfect. Dr. Blahi got it perfect. No correction. Madonna, Orafugoha, correct. Chikezie, well done, Tony. Okay, Tony, they are greeting you. Thank you very much. We go to the next word. I wanted to end this thing in one word today in 1 hour. But here we are. We have Tony that have just joined the class now. And he has given money to this class and to support this project. So, for his sake, we have to do one more word today and break it down again for the sake of my friend Tony, who has made financial commitment to this. So, we'll take one word again, and the word is Sacha. Sacha. The first thing we do is to listen to me and then hear what I say and write it in the chat and see whether you can get the correct spelling of the word. And then whether you can get the spelling via my pronunciation. And then we move on to say the meaning of the word. And we'll break it down into different forms and use them to make sentences. Let's go. The word is Sacha. Okay? So drop that in the chat now. Sacha. Sacha. I have one response. What are the rest people waiting for? Go there quickly. Drop that. Clement has done that. The word is Sacha. Drop that in the chat. Don't tell me the meaning. Just drop the word. Let's see those who got the spelling right by the sound of the word, who understand the sound and the spelling. That's the first test. Let's go. I have 2 responses already. Chikezie is in. Clement Emehe is in. What are the rest people waiting for? The word is Sacha. Sacha. I'm waiting for you. Sacha. That is the word. Sacha. Let's go there. Sacha. Sacha. What are you waiting for? Drop the word. Drop the word so we can mark. Now, okay, maybe others will come in because of time. Let's move. The word is Sacha, and like I checked the responses. I got 2 responses already. Chikezie wrote Sachaa, while Clement Emehe wrote Sacha. Anthony wrote Sacha. Good one. Okay, let's see. Which one is correct? Is it double A or 1A after CH? The one that is correct is double A, because my pronunciation was drawn longer. I say Sacha, is double A. Sacha. If it is 1A, it will just sound Sacha, Sacha. But that is not what I say. I say Sacha. So I pulled it longer. So it's double A. Sacha. Now, what does this mean? Somebody should tell us, what does this mean? Next stage, next question, next challenge. What is the meaning of Sacha? Let's go. Let's go. What meaning? I wait for you. Shoot now. Game on. Okay. Yeah. Getting your responses. They are coming in. Okay. 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 That's good. Surprisingly, Anthony is the one that told us the meaning first, which is clean, wash, clean, wash. Okay, either clean or wash, both are correct. But wash is seems to be the one we're going to take for the purpose of this sentence we're making now. Sacha, wash. Okay, but cleanse is also the another word, another synonym for wash is cleanse, not clean, because clean is an adjective, it's not a verb, it's adjective. I'm correcting Tony now. If you say clean, just like Tony wrote it, that is adjective, it's not a verb. We're talking about verb here. But if it's going to be a verb, it has to be cleanse. That is what Chikeze wrote. That is a verb, cleanse or wash. So sa and sacha are same thing. Of course, sa is the short form of sacha. That is the way of pronouncing it in short form. So sa is actually sacha, is a short form of it. I hope I answered your question, Chikeze. Let's go. We've gotten the word, we've gotten the meaning. Go to the next stage, which is breaking the word down into its different forms, verbal usage. Number one, sacha, simple present tense. Number two, to wash. How do we write it? To wash. To wash. Let's go there. Game on. Igbo verb game. To wash. Phrasal verb. Phrasal verb. To wash. How do we write it? Clement Emehe is in. Let's go there. Anthony, let's shoot. Let's go. Let's go there. To wash. How do we write it in Igbo language? Quickly, quickly, quickly. Chikeze is here. Clement is in. Who else is coming in? Anthony, where are you? Nake, where are you? Where are you? Let's go there. Let's move, let's move, let's move, let's move. Anthony is here. No idea. All right, no problem. That's why you need to be in class. As you are here, at the end of this class, you have idea and you know how to use it to make sentence. Here, we learn from everybody around. We learn from the teacher, we learn from other old students who have advanced knowledge already. This is a community of learners. So let's stay put and get idea. Okay, we got responses from Clement Emehe. Is Sacha, that is correct. So Anthony, look at what Clement E wrote. Is Sacha, that is to wash. The same thing is what Chikeze wrote. Is Sacha, to wash. Ablahi also wrote A Sacha, not really. Ablahi, change your A to I, and the I must have dot under. E is not E. If your I don't have dot under, it sounds E. But if it must sound A, it must have dot under. In this case, it's A Sacha, I with dot under. Great. Antonio, is that right? Get it? We move on to past tense of is Sacha. Past tense of Sacha, which is washed. Washed. The past tense of wash. How do we write it in Igbo language? Let's go there. Igbo verb game. Game on. Washed, past tense of wash. How do we write it now? How do we write it? Past tense of wash in Igbo language. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Washed. Okay. Okay, Clement Emehes, you seem to be going out away from the class. Bye. Take care of yourself. Okay. We're moving to past tense of wash, and we're waiting for responses. Chikeze has dropped his own response. Let me wait for others to come in. Who else is dropping response? Dr. Ablahi has come in with his response. This is a complete Hausa man, in case you don't know. This Dr. Ablahi is not fake Ablahi. It is real Dr. Ablahi Abkarim. It's a pure Hausa Fulani man that is learning Igbo language. So passionate about that. and is improving so much. It's moving on with us, and the journey has been so sweet. Doctor, we love you. Okay. Doctor has already dropped his own response. Chikezie, where are you? Okay, Chikezie has dropped his own. Who else is coming in now with the past tense of wash? Who is coming in now with the past tense of wash? Anyone? Nake, where are you? I'm not getting your response again. Nake, I didn't see you again. Where are you? Okay, maybe he has an Igbo wife name. No, I don't think Doctor has Igbo wife. Dr. Blahi, please answer for yourself. Oh, I don't want to answer for you. Do you have Igbo wife? The people say you must have Igbo wife for you to be learning Igbo language. Dr. Blahi, defend yourself. Oh, I'm not the one defending you. Tell us, do you have Igbo wife? Dr. Blahi, we are waiting for your response. Defend yourself. I don't know. Because I know you people marry many wives. I cannot defend you. I don't know what you have done or what you are doing. But all I know is that you love Igbo people and you want to learn Igbo language. But they are saying maybe you are married to Igbo. So it's up to you to defend yourself. Okay? Let's look at the responses. Chikeze wrote Sachara. Dr. Adlahi wrote Sachara. And those responses are perfect. They are correct. Very, very correct. That is washed. Past tense of wash. Okay? We move on to future tense. Will wash. Now, everybody listen. Read Dr. Blind's response. He has responded to accusation that he married Igbo woman. No, sir, I am 100% a Yoruba man. Oh, my goodness. Yoruba, no comment on the second question. I've got it wrong. The name confused me entirely. I was thinking he's a northerner. Doctor said no, he's 100% a Yoruba man. But he didn't want to respond to the aspect of whether he married Igbo woman or not. He kept it to his own chest. So your guess is as good as mine. I don't want to say more. So let's not worry him now. Let's continue to learn Igbo language. Okay? So Sachara and Sachara both are correct. Move on to will wash, future tense. Will wash, future tense. How do we write it? Anthony, I hope you are following. Oh, it's a Muslim name. Oh, that's what confused me. I see. Many Yoruba people are Muslim and they answer Muslim names. If you are not careful, you think they are House of Lani. So sometimes we get confused about that. Right, sorry, Dr. Blahi, for my wrong, for associating you or, giving a wrong impression about you. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Amnas. Okay. We wash. Okay. Anthony wrote Amna Sacha. Okay. He tried. Let me hear from others. Will wash. Future tense. Quickly, let's respond to that. Will wash. Let's go. Will wash. Let's go there. Will wash. How do we write it? Will wash. Will wash. Yes, I'm waiting for you. Will wash. How do we write it? How do we write will wash? I only got a response from Anthony. What are the rest waiting for? Chikeze is in. I think network is affecting us. Okay. Dr. Chikeze ga sacha. And then Dr. Blahi ga asacha. Oh, Dr. Blahi. You almost got it now. But you drew it too long. Chikeze got it perfect. Ga asacha. 1A with a hyphen. Okay. Dr. Blahi, you also tried, but use double A for ga. Remove the 1A there, and you are asachara, not asachara. Ga sacha, remove your arrow A at the back of sacha is ga sacha, just like Chikezie wrote it. Okay? We move on. The next one is washing, present continuous. Is washing. Is washing, present continuous. How do we write that? Is washing, right now, is washing. How do we write it? Present continuous. Well, let's go. Let's go there. Let's go there. Is go there. Okay. Is washing. Chikeze has come in. Okay. Dr. Blind, you have corrected yourself. Gasacha. Perfect. Now we're talking about present continuous tense. Is washing. How do we write it? Is washing. Let's go. Let's go. Let's write is washing. Quickly, quickly. Time is ticking up. Time is ticking. I will not be able to extend beyond 1:30, 1 hour 30 minutes. So I want to move faster. Okay, Chikeze wrote na sacha, and that's correct. That's the correct word. Na sacha is washing. Next is go wash. Go wash. Go wash. How do we write that? An instruction. Go wash. Yeah, Dr. Blind, correct. Na sacha, you are right. We move on to go wash. Go wash. Go wash. How do we write that? Okay. Ga sacha. That is the response from Chikezie. Go wash. Ga sacha. Any other response coming in? Any other response coming in? Go wash. Any other person contributing to that? It appears Dr. Bly and Chikezi are the only active people here now. Anthony is learning, following carefully and studying them and learning. Anthony, am I right? I hope you are following. Dr. Bly, ga, asacha, no. You don't, when you use ga, you don't put a in front again. Okay? Whenever you are using ga, you just write ga and bring the original verb. The original verb, drop it there. So if it is rie, there is the original verb. When it comes to ga rie, go eat, you just put ga, bring rie, the original verb, and drop it. It becomes ga rie, go eat. So just have that at the back of your mind, Dr. Bly. That whenever it comes to the command or instruction, go do this, go that, go that. Once you put ga, which is go, bring the original verb and drop there, no alteration. That is the formula for that. So it is ga, sacha. So sacha is the original verb. So that is what it should be. It's not ga, asacha, no. We'll move on. Don't wash. Don't wash. Don't wash. What? How do we write it? Don't wash. Do not wash. How do we write it? Do not wash. Do not wash. Drop it now. Game on. Okay. Chikeze wrote asachala. Asachala. Any other option? Asachala. Dr. Blind, any other option? Any other option? Asachala. Asachala. Yes. Who else is contributing? Do not wash. Asachala. That's correct. Both of you are correct. Asachala. Don't wash or do not wash. We'll move on. That is the right word. Finally, have washed or has washed. How do we write it in the Igbo language? Have washed or has washed. Past participle. Have washed or has washed a report. Okay. How do we write that? It appears I missed one, which is did not wash a report. Okay. But let's go. We can put it last. I said have washed or has washed. Sachago, Dr. Blind. Sachago have washed. Chikeze, do you agree with that? Chikeze, so asacha, asachala, asachago, okay. Asachago, asachago, asachago or asachala. is correct, not Sachago. I think what Dr. Miss is to put A in front, Asachago. That's what Dr. missed, which is what Chikeze corrected, Asachago or Asachala. Okay, but did not wash is what? A report. He did not wash. He did not wash. So that phrasal verb, did not wash. How is it written? We know that before. I'm supposed to do that before the final one. Did not wash. How is it written? Yes. Did not wash. Did not wash. A report. No, doctor. It's not Asachago. Okay, you are correcting the one you wrote before. Have washed. But I'm talking about did not wash now. How do we write that? Did not wash. A report. He did not wash. He did not wash. A report. Did not wash. How do we write it? That particular phrase, phrasal verb, did not wash. How do we write it? Yes, let's go. This is the Igbo Tutor Live, free live Igbo class. Join us, learn Igbo language free of charge. Every Saturday, 2 p.m. Nigerian time, 1300 GMT. Let's do this together. Asachai, oh yeah, Dr. Blahi, very perfect. Did not watch. Asachai, nothing to correct. Perfect, 100%, Dr. Blahi. That's great. That's great. Chikeze Asachai, that's great. That is, did not wash. Anthony, I hope you are following that. Tony, are you following that? I expect you two to have notebook. Those who are in class, you have notebook to write how to improve. So you can remind yourself of these things we are saying and doing. As we're explaining, we're taking notes, we're jotting it, so that you can reverse back to it for revision, later. So let's try. Yeah. That's great. So let's go and make sentences with this. I want to be as fast as possible. The time is against me. I plan to have 1 hour class. So let's be fast. Beginning with Sacha, wash. Sentence 1. Wash the plate. Wash the plate. The plate you used to eat. Wash the plate. So let's go. Write that sentence in Igbo language. You can tell your child, wash the plate, or wash that plate, or wash those plates. But in this case, it's wash the plate. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go there. Igbo verb game. We're now making sentences, short sentences. Sacha efera. That's chikezie. Any other option? Wash the plate. Wash the plate. Yes. Any other option? We got Chikezie's response. Anybody coming in? Anybody coming in? Okay, what I will do is, once the answer is right, I say it's right. So other people can copy from there so that I save my time. Dr. Blahi, Sacha Efe Aho. Okay, the only thing you missed, doctor, is not Efe, it's Efere. You didn't add R-E. Efere, R-E. It's Efere. You stop at Efe, otherwise you got it right. But your Aho should have dot under the U to make it Aho. Okay? Let's move on. Then to wash, Isa. And my daughter wants to wash. My daughter wants to wash clothes. My daughter wants to wash clothes. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. My daughter wants to wash plates. Oh, clothes, not plates. Sorry. Clothes. I want to use a different thing so that you can learn another terminology. For those who don't know what is called clothes or plates or other things. Okay? My daughter wants to wash clothes. Let's go. Write it in Igbo language. Let's go there. Game on. My daughter wants to wash clothes. Write that in Igbo language. My daughter. Who doesn't know how to write my daughter in Igbo language? Let's see. Yeah. What is holding yours? Network, I guess. Let's go there. My daughter wants to wash clothes. Write that in Igbo language. It says in Mamwani chọrọ ịsacha akwa. Mamwani chọrọ ịsacha akwa. Any other option? My daughter wants to wash clothes. Any other option? Okay, I'm going to be talking about this response I got now because of my time. One is my female child. But when I say my daughter, okay, it's also a female child, but emphasis is on daughter or son. Okay, daughter is called Ada in Igbo language. So you can simply say Adam, okay, chọrọ ịsacha akwa. Okay, just for us to, get that. If it's a son, we say Okparam. A son is called Okpara in Igbo. A daughter is Ada, first female child. Hope that makes sense. So we move to past tense, Sachara, washed. I washed clothes yesterday. I washed clothes yesterday. I washed clothes yesterday. Write that in Igbo language. Okay. Yeah, that's what I said now. My daughter. Yes, now. Daughter is the first female now. Ada. Okay. But that was the emphasis now. Adam, my daughter. Okay. You can say my son or daughter. So daughter represents the first female child. Son is first male. Okay? So that is first female, Ada. Now we are moving on. I washed clothes yesterday. Let's have that in Igbo language. I washed clothes yesterday. Anthony, I hope you are getting my explanations on the children case. Are you getting that clear enough? Ada akwam chọrọ ịsacha. Okay, Dr. Blahi, you tried, but it should be Adam chọrọ ịsacha akwa. So the place you place your aqua is wrong. The aqua should be at the last position. We move on from that, and we're saying, I washed clothes yesterday. That's where we are now. I washed clothes yesterday. Past tense of wash, washed. Let's have that sentence written in Igbo language. I washed clothes yesterday. I washed clothes yesterday. Let's have that written in Igbo language. Let's go. Game on. Okay. Okay, Clement is in. Asacharam akwa unyaho. Few words we have to learn here is sachara. Past tense of sachar. Then you added M, asacharam. That represents me, that M, or I, actually. In this case, I. That is asacharam. The M at the back of sachara represents I. Okay? Then aqua is clothes. Unyaho is yesterday. This sentence is perfect. Okay? I go on because of my time, and the next sentence is about, present continuous. Na sacha or na sa. Okay? Or na sa, that is, he is washing car. He is washing car. Vehicle, car. He's washing car. Let's write that in Igbo language. Let's write, he is washing car in Igbo language. He is washing car. Yes. I have 5 minutes left. I want to use 1 minute for each sentence. He is washing car. Yes, let's drop. He is washing car. Ọ na-asacha ụgbọala. That's correct. Ọ na-asacha ụgbọala. That is correct. Ụgbọala is car. Okay. Then we move on. He will wash. Oh, we've done tomorrow. Okay, Sacharan. Okay. We now talk about, we'll talk about is washing. We'll talk about past tense, Sachara. Then Sacha. Then let's go to will wash, which is future tense. Okay. They will wash the house soon. They will wash the house soon. Let's go. Write that in Igbo language. They will wash the house soon. Let's go. The emphasis here is will wash. Future tense. Will wash. Let's go. They will wash the house soon. Not long from now. Soon. Write that in Igbo language. Let's go there. Game on. Game on. Let's go there. They will wash the house soon. Okay? Nwamgbe nta ha ga-asacha ụlọ ahụ. Okay? That's okay. Little time. This what you wrote is they will wash the house little time. Soon. Okay. Okay, but we can say ha ga-asacha ụlọ oge adịghị anya. Oge adịghị anya. Not long. Soon. Oge adịghị anya. Nwamgbe nta is little time. It's more of saying little time. A little time. They will wash the house little time. But I prefer oge adịghị anya. Soon. Time that is not far away. Soon. Oge adịghị anya. So please, ka m jee ụlọ akụba. Okay. But Abla, you want to go and pray. I think it's getting to 2 o'clock. You want to go and pray. You want to go and pray. That's what he's telling us. Thank you, Dr. Abla, Himela, Dalo. Okay. So Chikezie, please write this sentence too. Ha ga-asacha ụlọ n'oge adịghị anya. Rephrase that sentence like that for the sake of Anthony and the other people who are learning from us. Ha ga-asacha ụlọ n'oge adịghị anya. Time that is not far. Soon. That is the sentence I prefer in this case. Let's go to, okay, don't wash. Don't wash. Okay? Okay? N'oge adịghị anya. Yeah, that is the preferred sentence in this case. So those who are writing, write the last sentence written by Chikezie. Okay? The next one is go wash. Go wash. Go wash the, what are we going to wash? Okay, go wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Let's make it simpler. Go wash your hand. Let's write that now. Go wash your hand. How do we write that? Let's go. Go wash your hand. Go wash your hand. Write that in Igbo language. Gasacha akage. Perfect. Perfect. That is the sentence. Those of you who are silent, I believe you are writing and you're taking notes. Don't just be here. Just be sure you are learning and you are taking notes. Okay? Gasacha akage. Go wash your hand. Correct. Don't wash. Okay? Don't wash the what? Don't wash the what? What do we not wash? Don't wash the fruits. Don't wash the fruits, edible fruits. Don't wash the fruits. Right? That's in Igbo language. I think we have Holy Chikes here now helping us to do this. Dr. Bly has gone to pray. So let's go. Don't wash the fruits. How do we go? Write that. Chikes here, let's have that. Don't wash the fruits. Write that in Igbo language. Let's see how it goes. This is free live Igbo language class. Asachala mkpụrụ osisi ahụ. Perfect. Asachala mkpụrụ osisi is fruit. Mkpụrụ osisi, that is fruit. Then the fruit is mkpụrụ osisi ahụ. So this is perfect. He did not wash the fruit. Next sentence. He did not wash the fruits. Let's go there. He did not. This one is a report. The other one is an instruction. Don't wash the fruit. This one is a report. He did not wash the fruit. Did not wash. That is emphasis. Let's go. He did not wash the fruit. Let's go there. Give all the sentence. Chikes here. That is our class captain. Anyway, he has been consistent throughout the beginning of these live sessions, almost a year now. And he has been helping out, helping others to learn all along. Osachai mkpụrụ osisi ahụ. Perfect. Osachai mkpụrụ osisi ahụ. Or goes for both he and she. Both are used as or in Igbo. So even if you say she did not wash the fruit, you still use or. But sometimes you use o. But that is the case for another day. When to use o and when to use or. It goes with the vowel agreement. But let's go. Finally, they have washed the floor. They have washed the floor. They have washed the floor. That's the last for today. Let's go. They have washed the floor. Please, we should ignore Daniel as usual. So those of us who are regular in class already know him. He's a nuisance, but we have to ignore him and move on with the class. Okay? They have washed the floor. They have washed the floor. They have washed the floor. Yes, let's go. They have washed the floor. They have washed the floor. Okay. Okay. And the rest from Chikezie is ha asachago ala ụlọ ahụ. Perfect. Ha asachago ala ụlọ ahụ. Perfect. That is where we draw the curtain today. Thank you for coming to class today and following us through to this point. And we also appreciate those of you who have always supported by participating, by giving super chat and super stickers. We appreciate all your concern, all your readiness to learn Igbo language, your love for Igbo language. We hope you keep learning and keep coming. And all the notes you have taken, please go through them over again. And those who are interested in buying our books, I think my friend Anthony will need that so much to brush up and then come up to the speed with the rest of us. To do that, you will surely need those ebooks. So you have to get those books and then go through them and get ready for next class because those books are meant for every beginner to brush you up and bring you to speed with the rest of us. So get the books today from a bookstore and you'll be glad you did. For Chika Odua, that is asking how to join next time, you're just coming in now, Chika. You have our homepage already. Please subscribe to our channel if you have not done that. And then when you do that, you will get notified when we post, when we post an announcement for our next live class. And if you are there, you will always see that. You can also always check our community tab or go to our homepage and scroll through. We post announcement for the live class from Wednesday of every week. Okay, so once you are in my channel, you'll always see it. And once you come to YouTube, it will be displayed to you. If you are subscribed to my channel, we post the announcement for live class every Wednesday of the week. And that announcement will contain a link with which to join the live class. So when it is time, you will hit that link and you join immediately. Not only that, you also have when you see the advert for the upcoming, you will see upcoming live class written on it. You hit notify me under it, so that when the class begins, you will be notified immediately that the class has begun, so that you can join. So it's as easy as that. And then Chika and Anthony, please, I would advise you to buy those ebooks and start going through them because they will help you so much. They have text, pictures, downloadable audios that you can listen to, even when you are offline, and start learning even before next Saturday. Chika, are you hearing me? How do you get the ebooks? I've explained to Anthony before. You have to go to a homepage and open the channel description. You see a link to our bookshop. Go to our homepage and scroll down. You see advert of our books. You see a link on the advert to our bookshop. Hit it and you land in our bookshop. Select the books you want into the cart and buy. They are so cheap, between $1 to $3. You buy any of them, and they come with text, pictures, downloadable audio. Do that today. Chika, Odua, did you understand what I said about the books? Go get those books today, and they will thank me by next week. Get them today. Don't miss them today, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you for coming. So, Chika, did you hear what I said about the books and how to get them and how to join the live class next Saturday? Did you get all that? Chika, please confirm before I end this class. Are they all right? Did you get me? Yeah, that's great. So see you next Saturday. Bye for now. Kemesia.